Okay, this is Mark Espy once again. We're looking at the SPX. I must remind everybody that everything we speak of today is for educational purposes only and never to be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Please do your own due diligence. Once again, the SPX, and we have this internal trend line similar to what I drew on the Dow Jones. We also have the head and shoulders similar to what we saw on the Dow Jones, except the neckline is slanted a bit differently. So you can see here, if we extend this, it is in fact just broken up, back up above that trend line, is now beginning to challenge the underside of the 200 simple moving average, which is this red line. Just above there, we have a resistance line which shows a top here from early August as well as a swing high from June. And it lines up perfectly into a channel. And we have the lower area here, which is the swing low that was just put in at 1040 just a few days ago, and also with the double bottom from May and June. So we have a channel going on 1040 to about 1130. It has not yet reached that level, but what I would suspect is that it does have a little bit more juice to push up to the 200 moving average. We'll see what it does there. And then, of course, this swing high in the top here in this resistance line. So I think we're moving into a channel type of a situation here. It will be interesting to see how it handles the trend line if it comes back down. In fact, the channel may begin to narrow between the 50, which is this blue line, and the red line, which is the 200 simple. But under any circumstance, it looks like we're moving into a channel. If it does break out to the upside, then we're probably looking at the swing high that occurred right here at about 1170 back in May, and then of course we have the April high to look at. If it breaks down, we're looking at the swing low at 1010, 1011, and that's pretty stout support. But I think that it has some going to do to get to either above here or below here, so I'm more intending to believe that it's going to remain in some sort of a channel going on. I don't know the width of the channel, but I do feel that the choppiness is going to continue. And the way that you trade this is long off of the support and short off of the resistance, and you can make some decent trades off of those two areas. The stochastics is moving to the overbought area. It has a little bit more to go, and we did get a crossover in the MACD, and the MACD histogram is above the zero line, so that shows continuing bullishness, at least for the short term. Okay, we're going to go over and look at the CompQ.